సో అక్కడ కూర్చో. డైరెక్ట్గా బస్సు నుంచి వస్తే ఇలా వచ్చేసావా? సో నిన్న ఈ ఈ రెండు ఫార్ములాస్ మీద నేను ఒక ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అదే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పాను నిన్న. ఎస్ఏఎస్ మీద ఏఎస్ఏ మీద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఉంది కదా, ఏ ఎక్సర్సైజు? 7.2 ఎక్సర్సైజ్. అది నేను ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లం చేశా కదా. అక్కడ నా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉన్నది తీసుకురా. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఉంది కదా, ఏ ఎక్సర్సైజ్? 7.2 ఎక్సర్సైజ్. అది నేను. సో ఎస్టర్డే వీ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ one chapter, one exercise. Okay, this is the second sum onwards we have to do it. Second sum onwards we have to do it. So this is which exercise? Point 6.2. This is 6th chapter, 7th chapter, 7th chapter, 7.1 exercise. This is 7.1 exercise. Exercise 7.1. We have done yesterday first question. Now we are going to do these questions today. ఇది మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్సే, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. So second question we will do it. So very important thing is you should copy the question properly. ABCD is a quadrilateral, right? ABCD is a quadrilateral. AD is equal to BC. Now I will draw the figure again. Okay, as it is I will draw. A, B, C, D. I am drawing with free hand. I want you to draw with the scale and pencil. Okay. So good morning Ayush. Sorry, good evening. So then angle DAB and E angle anamata is equal to angle CBA and ఈ యాంగిల్, ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్. ఇట్స్ గివెన్ అనమాట, గివెన్. ఓకే, సో దెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్, అంటే లెట్ us డ్రా దీస్ టూ డయాగ్నల్స్ ఆల్సో. ప్రూవ్ దట్ ABD, దట్ మీన్స్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABD ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ BAC. I am not copying here given. Okay, everywhere So in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, ఈ రెండు మనం కాంగ్రియంట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ దే ఆర్ కాంగ్రియంట్. ఓకే, సో నౌ you from these two triangles list out what are equal. Whether in the order is always better. Even if it is no order, there is no problem. Okay. AD is equal to BC. This is given here. Okay. Now you have to find out which triangle. ABD and ABD, ABD and BAC. That means BAC. ఈ రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ అన్నమాట. So now in those two triangles AD is equal to BC, and this red color angle are also equal, na? ABD, that means A angle BAD is equal to angle ABC. This is given, and AB is equal to AB, common in both the triangles. Visualize करना बहुत मुश्किल रहता है. you you have to visualize these two triangles, ABD triangle, ABC triangle. In this, AB is a common side. Yeah, AB, that's what I am telling you. Visualization is very important. So in this AB is there. In this also AB is there. Common side. You can logically you can see here also, or you can see the diagram also. Both are okay. Okay, good morning, Vedika. Vedika, very good. I hope you have shared the link with your friends. Okay, so నువ్వు దాన్ని ఎలా సెపరేట్గా డ్రా చేసుకో. ఇది ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ కదా, ఇలా ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది ఏబి అనమాట. నేను ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ కూడా డ్రా చేస్తా చూడు, ఇది ఏబి అనమాట. దీంట్లో ఏబి కామన్ కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఇది డి కదా. సో ఏడి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీసీ. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్, ఇదేమో కామన్ సైడ్. సో నేను రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ని సపరేట్గా వేసా. సో దెన్ విచ్ ప్రాపర్టీ? సైడ్ యాంగిల్ సైడ్, సైడ్ యాంగిల్ సైడ్. ఓకే, సో if you are unable to see the figure, actual figure, you can happily separately నేను ఎలా వేసాను అలా వేసుకొని చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. సో therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS congruency rule. So first one is proved. So by CPCT, BD is equal to BC. BD అంటే ఇది BD. BD is equal to, I'm sorry, BD is equal to AC. BD, AC are the diagonals. This is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So then angle ABD. ABD means ABD. This is the angle. This is the angle ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. BAC means BA. ఇది ఆ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్. ఇది కూడా CPCT. CPCT. సో దేర్ proved. This is what is the proved. So when you want to prove two triangles congruent, you have to list out these parts here, three parts. By three parts you can prove two triangles congruent. Okay, so okay, Ayush, the new student of YPS. Are you a new student of YPS? I don't know. Okay, so anyhow, so this is a second question, easiest question. And we are we have to identify those two triangles, list out the equal parts, and then write. ఇలా కూర్చుంటున్నారు, కాపీ చేసుకోండి. You have to copy it fast. Take the book. If you do not copy, I am going to rub it. ఇదేమన్నా సినిమానా? Okay, even I advise all the online students, please note down, because I am going to rub it now. Later on you can revise it and you can see, but better note down so that you will understand. जैसा ही मैं बोलूँगा आप थोड़ा लिख के जाओ. So now let us go to the third question. Okay, I will write given first. Given is, read the question, whatever is given you write it out. Okay, okay. So AD BC are equal perpendiculars to a line AB. So this is AB. I will draw a line. This is AB. Okay, and this is AD and this is BC. This is equal perpendiculars. That means these two perpendiculars are equal perpendiculars and to a line segment AB, okay, and this is joined, sorry, this is joined and at O. So show that CD, that means CD bisects AB. This CD bisects AB means O is the midpoint and AO is equal to BO. You have to prove that AO is equal to BO. So here I should write AD is equal to BC and AD is perpendicular to AB and BC also perpendicular to AB. Now what we have to prove? Show that CD bisects AB. This is the CD. Okay, that means AO is equal to BO. That means these two parts are equal. So now list out the triangles in triangle proof. In triangles AOD, AOD and BOC. In these two triangles, list out the equal things. One is AD is equal to BC. Okay, this is given, and this is 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and angle 1 is equal to 2. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by angle side. AAS congruency rule. So therefore, AO is equal to OP, that is CPCT. Why AO is equal to OB? This is CPCT. So that implies CD bisects AB. We got AO is equal to BB. Therefore, CD bisects AB. Okay. So you have to focus on copying, and you have to focus on my voice also, right? आयुष, I understood. मैं अगले प्रॉब्लम से मैं थोड़ा हिंदी भी यूज़ करूँगा. You are able to understand हिंदी ना? हाँ, आप हिंदी सीख लो, वो लोग तेलुगु सीख लेंगे. So this is a third question, right? Let us go to fourth question. Okay? Fourth question. నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు మీరు ఫాస్ట్గా కాపీ చేసేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఆన్వర్డ్స్ నా ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పుట్ one problem in one page. I will not put like this. So for next tomorrow you will be getting problem. I am not going to rub it out. So now let us do fourth question. LM are two parallel lines. This is L and this is M. Arrow marks I am not going to put, L and M. Okay. My marker is very, and another parallel line. These two are also parallel lines. These two are also parallel lines. Another parallel line is PQ. That means LM are parallel and PQ are parallel. They are intersected. So then this is A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. But parallelogram chapter is coming next. So we don't know the properties of a parallelogram. So parallelogram को So we will use only the अभी तक वो जो भी हुआ वही यूज़ करके हम कर लेंगे. So now we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Okay, that we have to prove. So now in these two triangles, let us see what is given. And AC is common. AC is common. So then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angles. Same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. They are also alternate interior angles. 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4. Both are alternate interior angles because this is parallel and that is parallel. So therefore angle side angle, angle side angle. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle congruency rule. Okay, I am not putting any steps, right? So then over. That is what we wanted to prove. Okay, so actually first, second, third. So you can write first angle 1 is equal to angle 2 alternate interior angles, and 2 is AC is equal to AC common, and 3 angle 3 is equal to angle 4 again alternate interior angles. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by ASA rule. That's it. Very simple question. Okay. 8th batch already I have started. Kolte sir, Rudra Kolte, I have already started 8th class batch, morning 7 o'clock. Yes, today one class is over. Tomorrow get ready and join online class at 8 o'clock. Shall we go to the question number 5? Question number 5. Okay. Huh? What I will do, I will make it big. So this is the diagram. I'll do the diagram in this. So line L is the bisector. So L is the bisector. That means these two angles are equal. Okay. PAB and QAB are equal because L is the bisector. You are able to see now? Okay. You draw the diagram and put it. So then what I will do, I have done X here only. I wanted to show here only. I will make it little more bigger. Okay. So now these two angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to 2 because L is the bisector. Now what we have to do, APB is congruent to AQB. APB, this down triangle is congruent to, I will take the red color. This triangle APB is congruent to AQB. Those two triangles we have to prove that they are congruent. Already 1 is equal to 2 and here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees, and AB is common side. So angle side AAS triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Write 90 degrees, this 1 and this common side. 90 degrees, this 2 and this common side. That means by AAS, APB is congruent to AQB. So therefore, by CPCT, BP is equal to BQ. By CPCT, BP is equal to QB or BQ. So this is a second RTP. So that means P and B is equidistant. B is equidistant from arms of A. Okay, very simple question. Arav, hi, Rudra Kolte. Tomorrow morning 7 o'clock you can come. And Ayush, I'll try to speak in Hindi. I think Vedika, you are able to follow me. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Now 5 problems are over. I go to another. Only 3 more problems are there in this exercise. Okay. Only 3 more problems. Let us do question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, that is also like a confusing figure. You have to visualize. You have to visualize as per the dimensions. Okay. So I'll draw a very big figure so that you can easily understand. I'll take again now. Okay. I'll draw this is AB and this is BC and this is AE and this is so this is A, B, C, A, B, C, E. Okay. So here AD is there. These two sides are equal. AD is equal to AB. That means I am writing here x is equal to x. You have to write, you have to so x, I am not doing it, I am just explaining it. Okay. So there is one more AC is joined and these two sides are equal. So my diagram is not that much correct. AE छोटा हो गया है. AE, AC are equal. Remember that they are equal. I should extend it. So मेरा हाथ ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. Right? So then here I will write y is equal to y. So isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Okay. So now, what is our target? We have indicated AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, BAD is equal to EAC. BAD means this one. This is Y. Okay? It is given. This one. This is BAD. Show that BC is equal to DE. This what we have to show. BC ekkundi? BC, where is BC? The bigger one. What is, where is DE? Where is DE? DE I have to draw. This is DE. Okay. So that we have to, now you have to choose two triangles in such a way that these two sides should be there. ये दोनों sides वो triangles में रहना है. ठीक है. So now BC is there in the big triangle. You take ABC triangle. One is ABC triangle. You are able to see ABC triangle. Now DE, where is DE? You can take a ADE triangle. That means triangle ADE. ADE. ఈ రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్లోనూ ఆల్రెడీ ఈక్వల్ మార్క్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. In ABC, what is equal mark? One single mark is there. In ADB also one single mark is there. That means one pair of sides are equal. Got it? Only marks are to identify equal parts. So in ABC, single mark is there. In ADC, single mark is there. That means AB is equal to AD. One pair of sides are equal. Okay. Now you see again AC is the side of ABC. उसके ऊपर double mark is there. AC के ऊपर double mark is there. So that means AC is the side of ABC. One more double mark is there, AE. So AE is the side of ADE. So that means two pairs of sides are equal. Okay, two pairs of sides are equal in these two triangles. So now included angle. Say if you say this is say some Z, this y plus Z is the angle of A. In ABC, y plus Z. And in ADE, again y plus Z. So that means because y plus Z, this is y plus Z. There is no half. In triangle ABC, what is angle A? Y plus Z. In angle ADE, go. What is angle A? Y plus Z. So that means vertically angle are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Therefore, BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Okay. So diagrams are looking a little bit confusing, but you have to understand, visualize those particular things. Okay. Next also same way. Next also. Right. So AB is the AB, this is P, and there is one, this is one triangle, APD is one triangle. Okay. And this is one more triangle. PEB is one more triangle. You understood? Two triangles you understood? One is APB, APD. The other one is triangle BPE. You have to see those two triangles. You have to see those two triangles. And in that, these two angles are equal. That means X, and this is Z. In BPD, how much is P? In BPE, how much is P? X plus Z. In APD, how much is P? X plus Z. Equal? That one side is equal. Okay. And then what is P is the midpoint. That means these two parts are equal. P is the midpoint. That means AP is equal to BP. Okay. So I write APD is equal to BPE is equal to X plus Z. In the same way, AP is equal to BP. Given. Angle A is equal to angle B. Yeah, angle A is equal to angle B. That means these two angles are equal. So by which property? By ASA, these two triangles are congruent. So CPCT AD is equal to BE. Okay? లైన్లో ఒక వాళ్ళు కామెంట్స్ ఇస్తుంటారు కదా, హిందీ, మహారాష్ట్ర. సో నాట్ ఓన్లీ హిందీ. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఓన్లీ వన్ సమ్ ఈజ్ రిమైనింగ్. వెళ్ళిపోతావా? అదే యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిసన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ బోరింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ listen carefully, it will be, geometry will be boring. Okay, so last question. Tomorrow I will do complete proof, so I will keep with you, keep it for you. So now in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, that means this is A, C, B, right angle at C. Okay, this is right angle triangle, and M is the midpoint of AB. M is midpoint, that means these two parts are equal, and C is joined to M. C is joined to M and extended to D. This is D, and BD is joined. Okay, extended to D such that DM is equal to CM. I have put 3 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. Okay, show that AMC means this one. Okay, okay, so this triangle and this triangle, you have to prove that they are congruent. Now you see, either 2 mark wala, either 3 mark wala, either be 2 mark wala, either be 3 mark wala, equal. Two sides are equal, and this is vertically opposite angle. So by side angle side, these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Okay, so first one is over. Triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Okay, oh, no, we did not I went into that. Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by SAS. So then we have to prove that this entire angle is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees and prove cheyali. DBC is 90 degrees, that we have to prove it. Okay, so that is our target. Now what else is given here? Nothing is given. Okay, so then we will put equal marks. The angles opposite sides, angles opposite to equal sides, say this is X, and here this is also X. Got it? Because these two angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is X and this is X, and this is a transversal. Therefore BD is parallel to AC. BD is parallel to AC because alternate interior angles are equal. So therefore angle B plus angle C That means this entire angle and this entire angle is equal to 180 degrees, co-interior angles. And this is 90 degrees, therefore angle B is also 90 degrees. Therefore, angle TBC is also equal to 90 degrees. Okay, you understood? You prove that AC is parallel to BD by X and X. You have to write 1 and 2 so that, okay? So this is what is Anuja, your 10th is over and you are coming back into the class. If I am not wrong, Anuja is 10th passed cultural secretary of IPS, ex-cultural secretary of IPS, I think. So anyhow, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.